Hi, I'm Stephanie with Wunderlich America, where German precision meets real-world riding. Every adventure has its risks, but with the right protection, you can keep your focus on the road ahead instead of stressing about the what-ifs. That's where the Wunderlich Extreme Engine Bars come in. These aren't just bars, they're the result of over 30 years of engineering expertise. Designed by riders for riders, the Extreme Engine Bars strike the perfect balance between lightweight performance and rugged durability. Crafted from 25mm stainless steel tubing, they're CNC-formed for precision and electro-polished for a clean, professional finish that looks as good as it performs. And whether you choose the natural stainless or our sleek black version, you're getting a set of bars that resist corrosion, wear, and weather year after year. But looks are just the beginning. These bars are purpose-built to protect your critical components, cylinders, valve covers, and oxygen sensors by distributing impact forces evenly across 3 mounting points on each side. This design helps absorb and redirect energy from a drop or impact, minimizing damage and keeping your machine in ride-ready condition. And here's something a lot of riders love. You don't lose a bit of ground clearance. That means whether you're picking your way through technical terrain or just backing into that tricky parking spot, you don't have to worry about your protection getting in the way of your performance. These bars are designed to fit these models. Installation? No problem. Our plug-and-play design means the Extreme Engine Bars fit seamlessly to your BMW without any cutting, fabricating, or frustration. Even if you're new to DIY upgrades, the included instructions will walk you through it step by step. It's a premium upgrade that pays off every time your bike is in a tight spot, whether it's an off-road tumble, an awkward drop in the garage, or just peace of mind on a cross-country ride. So if you're ready to ride harder with greater confidence and protection that works as hard as you do, equip your bike with Wunderlich Extreme Engine Bars. Find your perfect setup today at wunderlichamerica.com. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our other upgrade videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out there.